If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And one more thing, don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest update of this YouTube channel. Welcome guys, this is the first video of this YouTube channel started under the Logi mission. Guys, this Logi mission is dedicated to bring different technical YouTube channels to you people. Guys, in this video, first of all, we will see that who should learn Linux operating system, and then we will move to the key contents of this YouTube channel. Guys, first let's see who should learn Linux operating system. A teacher should learn Linux operating system. An IT student must learn Linux operating system. An IT professional must learn Linux operating system. A computer engineer must learn Linux operating system. A computer lover should learn Linux operating system. A YouTuber should learn Linux operating system. A businessman should learn Linux operating system. If you belong to any of these professions, means you are on a good YouTube channel to learn Linux operating system, where you will get a proper tutorial for learning Linux operating system from beginning to advanced level. Guys, now let's see the key contents of this YouTube channel. In the first tutorial, we will see why we should learn Linux operating system and career in it. Now, second one, the journey of Linux operating system, where we will see the history of it. Now, third one is the top 5 distributions of Linux operating system. Fourth one is the installation of Ubuntu 18.04.1. In the fifth tutorial, we will see the introduction of Ubuntu 18.04.1. And in the sixth tutorial, we will see the major setup to do after installation of Ubuntu 18.04.1. Now, in the seventh tutorial, we will see the basics command of Ubuntu operating system. Now, next one is the networking. In the next tutorial, we will see the file handling of Linux operating system, and the 10th one is the Linux editor, where we will learn Nano and VI editors. Now, 11th one is shell scripting, where we will learn some programs. Now, 12th is the LAMP and Samba server configuration. In the next tutorial, we will see the different software installation and the problems if anyone comes around. Now, the 14th one is the Linux server version installation, as we have installed the Ubuntu 18.04.1, that was a desktop version. Now it is the 15th one. Next level of Linux was content will be out in this tutorial, so be with us.